Ever wondered how to keep your computer systems fast and reliable? A computer preventive maintenance checklist is your answer. Discover how eAuditor can help you create a digital checklist for effective maintenance. eAuditor offers digital checklists you can complete from your phone or tablet, eliminating paper. Attach photos of issues directly within the app for a comprehensive visual record. Export checklists as PDF reports to save them as official maintenance records. Collect technician signatures within the app for validation. These features streamline your maintenance tasks. Begin by opening the eAuditor app on your device to start your maintenance session. Navigate to Templates and tap Create Template. Then choose a blank template. This template becomes your reusable computer preventive maintenance checklist. It's an easy way to organize your maintenance tasks. Start with a blank slate and customize as needed. Add fields for essential information like computer name, location, date, and technician name. Inspect the physical condition, ensuring no dust buildup on vents or fans. Check that all cables are connected properly and there's no visible damage. Verify the operating system and installed software are up to date. Ensure antivirus software is active for security. Ensure the system starts without errors and applications run smoothly. Listen for unusual noises or check for overheating. Confirm antivirus scans run successfully and the firewall is active. Control user access to enhance security. Make sure data backups are scheduled and backup files are accessible. Visual evidence strengthens the maintenance record. Remove dust from the keyboard and screen, ensuring air vents remain clear. Add photos in eAuditor if issues or damage are found. Write notes about any problems or actions taken. Collect the technician's signature to confirm maintenance completion. This checklist helps keep computers in good condition, ensuring smooth and safe operation. Download eAuditor to start your first computer preventive maintenance checklist for free. Keep your systems fast, secure, and reliable with this essential tool.